Alright, we're going to install the Ultra Racing Brace on a Z4. This one is a 2009. You will need a 13mm ratchet wrench thingy, and we're going to remove these 3 bolts here. I already pre-loosened them. Put them in a key so you don't lose them. And then do the same thing over on this side. You might need a breaker bar if you haven't taken these off before. Pretty easy to do. And while you've got it off, clean up a little bit. Put it in your hold container. Wipe up some of the dust and grime. And then position it on. Wow, what a great fit. And put our bolts back on. Just do a snug, not even finger tight. And then go on to the other side. Put these on. Yeah, just make them sort of finger tight. And then do the outer bolt first. Crank that one on good and tight. And do the outer bolt on this one. Good and tight. And we're going to do the inside bolt nice and tight. I'll do the inside bolt on this one as well. And then we're going to finish up with the last bolt, nice and tight. Doesn't have to be super tight, but probably like about 6 or 7 ugga-duggas is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's good. That's it. Ready to race. Yeah, one more thing. Remember to take off all the plastic that's on here. You don't want it to melt when that engine gets hot. And you're doing about 7,000 RPM for 89 minutes. Get rid of our can here. And let's close it. See the fitment. We're ready to go.